Hello digital product creators, my name is Andreia, I'm from Spreadsheetables and I am here to give you a walkthrough of our digital product toolkit spreadsheets. We are digital creators ourselves, and we know that sometimes it's really hard to keep track of the things that we are creating, right? There's so many shiny objects out there nowadays. We want to do everything. So, but we just want to make sure that we stay on track with what we're creating, and also we want to make sure that our creations are listed out there so we can actually, get sales on them. Because if you're anything like me, you have a million products created, they're beautiful, you poured your heart into it, but they are sitting in your files collecting digital dust because they were never listed. So, with that being said, this spreadsheet was made to help you just streamline your workflow and make sure that you're tracking everything that you're doing. So you are listing all your products, making sure that you're also getting revenue, right, in your business. This is what it's all about. Creating is fun, but we also need to pay the bills. So, when you first open your spreadsheet, you're going to have the Start Here tab. Right, I'm sure you already went through here, and then you clicked on the video instructions. And then the second tab is a product creation tracker. So this one, we added some tasks in here, which is the tasks that we use when we are creating our digital products. We want to make sure that we are researching the keywords, making sure that we're doing like some market research, creating the product, testing the product, right? Really important, especially if you're creating spreadsheets. Creating listing images, write product description, setting a price for your product, choosing the relevant tags. So there are so many moving parts when we're creating a product, from the creation until the listing part, right? Putting out there in the world. So in here, this is all customizable. You can change this to adjust or to adapt to your own process. And then here, you're going to enter your product title. So if you're creating, a daily planner, for example, you just put the name in here. And this is just to help you stay on track of the things that you're creating. It doesn't really have to have, tags or so. It's just something that you can identify what product that you're working on. And this is also good if you're doing like a batch creation, right? So let's say you have some different planners here. Planner 2, spreadsheet 1, spreadsheet 2, and so forth and so on. If you remove this here, this will not be counted. To bulk select the check boxes, you can select everything. And then with a space bar, you can select or deselect them. And then here, you want to track your product. So let's say you start with 0. So you have nothing in here, right? And then let's say for your 4 products, you want to just do the keyword, the research your product keywords. So you're going to do in batches. So you're going to do research for this. Once you're done, just click here. Once you're done, click here. Once you're done, click here. Once you're done, click here. If you have no titles over here, your monthly progress will fill up the bar. Now, if you have other titles, the more titles you have in here, the more it means that you still have some products to do the keyword research. Okay. So if you're only working on 4 products at a time, just make sure there are no titles up here. And then you go and create the product, right? Created planner 1, planner 2, planner 3, planner 4. So you are done with the creation part. And then here it will show you your productivity. It just shows you where you're at in here. So let's say you did all for the planner 1 first. So now you have in here. And then we also have this cute little graphic in here. It's just another add-on So whenever you are in the creation for that specific product, you are going to fill out those little arrows over here. Once you're done, so you can see over here, let me move my head. Here it says that you've completed one product. Once you finish the second one, now it shows that you completed 2 products. So you know that out of the 4 products that you planned on completing, 2 are done. And then you can see over here which ones are still missing. So, and these are just some, you have 13 tasks total. These are the tasks that were done. So you completed 13. This one is tasks that are you still need to go. So tasks not done. You still have 11 to go over here. And here it just shows you a percentage of complete. So just a different, I know different brains, you know, process information differently. So just a few different visual cues for you. Here you can enter the month if you want. If not, it's up to you. So this is just something real quick to keep on track of what the things that you're creating. And then once you create your product, you want to make sure that it is listed, and then you want to make sure that you can find it easily for, you know, if you need to make changes, or if you need to make sure you have to deactivate a listing somewhere. You just want to make sure that you are tracking all over here. So here this is just simple data. SKU, this is like your unique ID for your products, and it's really useful, and I really like them because sometimes, you know, you want to name something, you know, daily planner. Let's use the word, we're already on the planners one. So if you're saying daily planner, right, you can still have the same name, but if you change the unique ID, you know that this day plan. So let's put it here. So then daily planner, and then daily planner. So here you have 2 daily planners, but this one is 15 and this one is 16. So you know, it's good if you sell on Etsy, for example. We have an Etsy bookkeeping spreadsheet that, based on your SKU, right, the unique ID, it will pull like your best sellers. It will pull you know, all your sales for that specific product. Even though, because if I was going to pull from the title only, which is just daily planner, that data would be off, right? Let's say I sold 100 of this one right here, but then I only sold 1 of this one. The sales would track as the same product because it's the same title, right? This is why you want to use unique IDs here. So then, if you are working with products within the Google suite, you can use the smart chips over here. So you can just search, or you can like copy the link from your spreadsheet and just paste it here. Let me get an example here. I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm just gonna paste it here, and then it says use the tab to replace with the chip, the smart chips, and now you have this here. And if it's a planner, for example, in Canva, you can just go to Canva over here, and then you copy this link, and then you go over here, and then right click, insert link, and now you still have your name, but now you have a direct link to your product, which will make it so much easier if you need to make modifications, or if you need to you know, list it. And then here you enter the price, creation steps. So you can have your product in idea stage, or you can be like keyword research, or if you use the product tracker before, this should be complete. You just mark them as complete here. In this, you can adjust this on the setup tab. You can enter your own creation steps. You can enter your own product categories, and you can enter your listing status, even though this will be the same. So back in here, you're going to choose budget planner. That would be, for example, I don't have personal finances, but be finances. Let's put business essentials. And then daily planner, it will be planners and trackers. And then here, the delivery PDF is, since we are digital creators most of the time, if you're listing a spreadsheet, for example, or if you're listing a planner, you want to make sure that there's no, well, for example, if I don't know about the planners, I don't create planners, but if you're using a spreadsheet, for example, in Google Sheets, there's no downloadables, right? You can't download the spreadsheet file. So what you do, you're going to click share, and then you get the link over here. You're going to copy this link, and then this link will have to go somewhere, and then you will have like it could be just like an image, it could be like a file, anything that you're going to just enter your link in there and be like, this is the physical product that the deliverable that they're going to receive. And then when they receive that image or the PDF, they're going to click on that link and then access the product that they just purchased. So you just click over here, and then here the same thing, just right click and insert the link wherever the file is for your deliverable. Same thing for mockups. So here I was working on the mockup for this. Just copy the link and then go over here, right click and insert the link as well for the mockup. So then when you're ready, you can just click in here and it will open the mockup for you and you can edit. Same thing for the video. If you have video instructions or video anything for your product, you can just link in here and then some notes. Now here is your dashboard, last but not least. So here you see just a few charts showing your digital product creation status. So here you see the number. So you have 8 products complete, ready to list, needs mockup, keyword research, idea stage, and that is all based on these steps right here. Here is your digital product categories. So all your products are broken down over here, so you can see like what you have. So for example, here I have a lot of business essentials products, so maybe I need to add more planner to my product mix, right? And then here's your listing status. I have 3 active, 2 in draft, and then here again just the total number of products that you have in your inventory, and the number of complete products. And this is where most of us fail, right? We have the product complete. We have the product created, but it is not listed. So then, or maybe I started a product and I never finished. So this goes over here. So for now, I have 19 products in my inventory. I completed 8, but I have only 3 listed. So you see the disconnect over here. This should be the same numbers. So 8 products complete, 8 products listed. If you're under anything below this number, go ahead and go list those products. Okay, this is just an average price per product. This is based on the entire inventory. And yeah, and then also last function in this digital toolkit is that you have a filter. So for example, here you have your number of complete products, but then you have number of active in lists. You only have 3. So then you can filter over here, listing status. If you get this error, adjust filter to, just come over here and change it here, because this drop down is dependent on this one. So if I change something here, you will see this little red arrow on the side, and then nothing will show here. That's because you have to adjust this filter. So just clicking here, and let's say you want the products that are ready to list. So you see here, they are ready to go, right? So you just gotta go and list them on your things. Now if we say, okay, so today you are going to be working on your mockups, right? You're going to do batch mockup. So then you click over here, and then you see all the products that do need mockups, and you can just click over here and then work directly on them. Idea stage, if you, right, sometimes we have the idea that we want to work on. It's kind of work like a brain dump kind of thing. You brain dump your ideas in here, you leave that product in there, but you didn't have time to start creating it, so you know that you have to come back over here and keep working on that. Same for this. What do I have done? Oh, it's complete. So here you see that there's a link in here as well. So whatever you link over here, you can also do in here. So if this one, for example, was need a mockup stage, now it disappeared from here, but then you just change here. So now you can just click in here, open your product, create the mockup, and go list it, right? Yeah, so that is it. This is all, again, like I said, it's all customizable for your business. And then you have all of this, and I hope that helps. Happy creating, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.